Hello everyone, my name is Tanish. Today I am going to give a speech on solar system. I have already given a speech when I was studying UKG, but still I am going to give brief on solar system this time. So, let's check what a solar system when it's compared to a universe. See, assume that this is a universe and this is a solar system. And universe is big as football and solar system is small as full stop. And now, let's check. Let's know what is in solar system. A solar system is a structure which contains suns and 8 more other major planets. And let's check about the sun. You know that sun is the most hottest place in the world more than everything. So now none of the things can touch sun. Now I would like to say a couple of facts about sun. It is about to take 1 year to take the energy from sun's core to its upper core. And now here it takes barely 7 minutes because of the ozone layer to the sunlight to reach the earth, which humans take 23 days or 30 days to go. And next, now let's see about the 8 major planets. So the 8 major planets includes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, everything. So let's check about Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and it's the first planet. And it's not the hottest planet, but still it's little hotter than Earth. We are just going to learn about 3 planets this session. And second is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the world. And third is our Earth. You know that our Earth is the suitable place to where living. But as a bonus planet, I would like to say this. I like to say about Mars and Jupiter. So, one is a gas giant and one more is a rock giant. You know what is a giant mean? A giant, which is also known as a planet, is a giant. So next, a gas giant, which means it's filled with gas. None of the things can walk on it. None of the things can float on it. When you touch the Jupiter begins to suck you inside. And Mars is a rock giant, which means we can walk in it and where everywhere presence. And you know that there will be sandstorm for at least 3 months in Mars, which covers the whole area. And now let's check about Earth. In Earth, there is a suitable manner for Earth. So, in that the suitable manner is we are preventing building of buildings and more. But because of nowadays the Earth is called the green planet and the blue planet. But nowadays scientists are afraid, like, will it be called the brown planet or the dirtiest planet? Maybe. So now let's check about the afforestation and deforestation. Now the term afforestation means planting up trees, which is a good deed. And the term deforestation means cutting off trees, which means it's a bad thing. So we cut off trees for making buildings, for some other things also. But in afforestation, some good people who is having a good heart will do that. So now let's check about the things in Earth. There are many things in Earth, but the most important thing in Earth is water. You know water? Yeah, actually water is everyone knows about water. So water is there in Earth like 3/4. It's 74% of water is covered from Earth. And next, here is our other topic. Now the next topic is moons. So we all know that Earth has a moon. It has just one moon. But you know that there are so many moons in other planets. For example, Neptune, Venus and Lot, which is having more than 160 moons. And you know that Venus is the hottest planet, as I already said. And here is the fun fact for the moons, is that Mercury has no moons. Okay, now we'll see about the next topic. The next topic is the moons and the number of moons and the type of water they contain. So there are a lot of moons. As I already said, as a bonus planet, we'll learn about a planet which has 160 moons. And in that, the largest is the Titan, the largest moon in the whole solar system. Okay, So in that solar system, it is the largest moon, and it has over gallons and gallons of water in single centimeter. Like if you see in a single centimeter, if you just dig it for single centimeter, you'll get gallons and gallons of water. And imagine how much water it has more than the earth. And now you know that the earth is compared to other planets. For example, Jupiter. In Jupiter we could put about 2316 earths. So in these kind, the planets are compared. You know what will happen if the earth is bigger than the sun? No, it won't be, because the sun is the main source of energy to everyone. It won't let anything to come bigger than it. And next, let's check about other kind of planets and some things in our space. We know solar system is situated in the space. Now, the other type of planet, which is dwarf planet. You know that there were 9 planets, but now there are only 8, because the 9th planet, as Pluto, is considered a dwarf planet because it was just twice the size of Titan. So such planets are known as dwarf. For example, Eris, Ganymede, and Pluto are the common examples of dwarf planets. And next, let's see about other things in the world. How do you think the universe is created? The galaxy is created. You know that the solar system is a big part. You know that thousands and millions trillions of solar system make one galaxy, and zillions of galaxies make one universe. There are 2 universes in our whole multiverse. One is parallel universe, one is our universe. So still scientists are researching on parallel universe. So in our universe, you know, how did it create? Most of the people know. Now I'm saying to the people who don't know, let's check. So it's created by a event called Big Bang egg. There was an egg-like structure, and when some asteroids hit it together, it broke into pieces, and in that the hottest core of that star came into the sun, and the other parts came into planets, asteroids, meteoroids, dwarf planets, etc. You know that there are many things floating around space. Oh, yeah. Actually, you know, how did water form on Earth? You might think that Earth was created with water. No. It's absolutely wrong. So, the Earth was the hottest planet in the world. Not now, in the universe, but not now. Before the dinosaurs, before the microorganism existence, it was the hottest planet in the whole universe. But after some time, you know, comets, let me say about comets. Comets are large type of asteroids filled with ice and dust. It's assumed that a comet brings one drop of water, and like this, trillions and trillions of comets fell on Earth, and it began to cool the Earth. After some time, the substance called water began to come. So it came, and the Earth became the most planet with lot of water. And in that, the land came, and we started to pollute the water and more. So in this, we learned about different kind of universe and galaxies and our solar system. Wait, I forgot. Do you think that I forgot to say something? Yes, you are right. I forgot to say about our galaxy, our own galaxy. As I said, trillions and trillions of galaxies make an universe. But you know where we are living? We are living in the Milky Way galaxy. Don't think it's like chocolate, dairy milk, Milky Bar. No. It's known because when we see from out of the galaxy, it looks like there is poured milk on the space. So it's known as Milky Way galaxy. So now let me continue the conclusion. So in this session, we learned about Saturn, we learned about moons, planets, and dwarf planets, other things in space, how did universe be formed, etc. Thank you.